How many popsicles do you think could fit in this fridge? Enough. A lot, actually, probably a lot. If you just had popsicles, then this is a really great option because you could put them all in there and you'll have enough room. Welcome back, happy campers. My name is Amanda here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking an inside, outside, and all-around look at this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 226 RK. Before we get started, thank you for watching our videos. We've got many more coming and some interesting videos in the past, so check those out. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. If you are a fan of a rear kitchen floor plan and also enjoy having a very nice outdoor entertainment space, this is a great floor plan. We have no slides on this side of the camper, and check out how big this awning is. We love being able to pull them out and have extra shade, especially when we're working, but more so when we're at the campsite. We have an LED light strip underneath that is on and would definitely shine bright as a diamond at night. And we've got some pretty big windows that you can see in or out of this camper. Other than that, we have everything we need to maybe have a TV out here. We've got plug, satellite connections, and there's even more space in the storage. Here's our pass-through storage. It's near the front cap. We have everything we need when we get to the campsite, our convenience bay on that side, which is the driver's side of this camper. We have auto leveling, and we even have these amazing two little dips that are on each of the compartment sides, I guess. They're made of plastic, and they have an area where you can fish those hoses or cords through the bottom of the camper, so you can make sure you've got these outdoor compartments shut and locked before you go to bed at night. Just a little bit of cable management. We also have our battery disconnect on our entertainment side or our doorway side of this camper. And it's pretty much just standard down here. Let's take a look inside. One thing I love that comes pretty standard on a Grand Design camper are these screen doors. They automatically close. They latch to the door if you're wanting to use them both as one. And they even have a slide open or close section so you can get to that handle or even pass something through without having to let all the bugs in. But other things when we get inside the camper is our control panel we have right to our right, as well as our indoor-outdoor speaker system. I appreciate that they kept it all right here so we don't have to go into any cabinets and find that or whatever. We even have our solar gauge up here as well, where we can tell if we're using that solar, what the status of that solar charge is, and if we're charging it. Next is this amazing storage that they've added in for shoes and or whatever you need to put into these two drawers. They could be junk drawers, they could hold your keys, laptops, and charging accessories, whatever you need. And I like that they made the top match your kitchen, so this could be a little extra countertop space or even a serving bar if you needed it to be. But now let's talk about this kitchen. I wasn't sure how to show you all of the storage of this floor plan other than to just open it up. Check this out. We've got plenty of places for cups, serving plates, bowls, glassware, as well as extra things that you just want to store away, maybe if you're having a party, so special occasion. We also have places for a trash can down here, as well as lots and lots of drawers that are big enough for those pots, pans, and baking sheets. I like how they give you a little bit of a ledge here so we can keep some of our maybe spices we use, or even some things that we use for washing our dishes. I appreciate the removable and convertible dish rack that they put over your sink, so you've got plenty of countertop space to sort of stretch out and cook, and even a great place to do those dishes and let them dry. A window right in front, so wherever you're backed up to, you can see the amazing views. And pretty much all of your cooking and prep work and your essentials are really close together. So if you're wanting to cook on the weekends, but still be involved in what's going on outside, this is a really good floor plan. On this particular camper, we have a Furrion RV fridge. It's got the gray front, but things change, so double check before you purchase. And it's right next to our theater seating that is either 3 across or 2 and an amazing cup holder armrest situation. I like this color. It's a little bit more cool tone, darker than like a tan. And it's super comfy. You can get back all the way into nap mode without hitting the back of the slide. And we also have some really great windows that you can open up for airflow or just check and see what your view is. Maybe it's a wonderful beach or even the mountains. I totally wish that was what was out of this window. We also have 2 lights above us for this small little area. So if you're watching a movie and you turn it on, you can turn them off with just the light switch to the right. And speaking of movies, let's take a look at where our TV is. The good thing about this fifth wheel floor plan is that the TV is mounted up pretty high up on the top there. So I can sit and eat or even sort of move around and people will still be able to see that TV. So that's a really good amenity, as well as all of these cabinets that they've added in, really trying to pack in the storage. So if you happen to have anyone that's coming and may need to sleep in this dinette, because it also transforms into a sleeping space, they can have their own little private storage area for some of their personal items. Well, I also want to take note of how big this window is. And again, we've got windows crossing on both sides of this camper. So cross airflow is going to be really nice. And we even in this space have a vent air fan that we can turn on, get the air moving in here. If you happen to be cooking, it can help pull out some of that smoke or whatever you're cooking, maybe from bacon or sausage. So everything works out great here as a living space. So let's take a look at the bathroom. What a light and bright bathroom here. We've got a skylight, a vent air fan, and mirrors all around. So it's definitely bright, as well as in the hallway before you get to the bathroom. We have a really big window as well, so you'll be able to not use those lights during the day and have all your windows open and enjoy the beautiful sunlight. But as far as room here, this is plenty of room for a single person to get ready. We got a nice toilet. Across from that, we have our sink area that has extra space for our hair tools, makeup and such, and lots of storage behind these mirrored front medicine cabinets with extra storage for toothbrushes and everything. Really handy, by the way. I really appreciate that. But the shower. Our shower comes with a black finished shower head. Very good quality, and I like that they sort of help you with your cable management here. We got a little hoop so that our cord is not coming and encroaching on us while we're taking a shower. Again, lots of light. We even have our clothesline added in here. I would love to see these used. I want to know if you guys have one of these. What do you use that for? I would suggest bathing suits, any extra wet towels, but have you ever used it? Leave it in the comments below. I'm super curious. But elbow room is pretty good for this model, and they give you really good quality frosted glass here that does secure for travel. So it pretty much checks all the boxes here. Let's check out the bedroom. The bedroom has a barn style sliding door to give you extra privacy, but it also has two pretty big windows, so we're gonna get lots of airflow in here. But check out this comfy bed. I was just sleeping on it before the camera turned on, so it is very comfortable. We also have two sconces, one on both sides, and they have their own little light switch on the side. These are sort of a newer design for the 2023-22 model year. I prefer these because it's a white light instead of a yellow light, so it really adds a lot to this space. We've got two lights that are on a singular switch, so no push lights in here. And we've got lots and lots of storage. You can tell we've got cabinets up top as well as on the side, and even a ledge here for any of your electronics that you may want to charge. As you can see, it's green, so we're all good to if I wanted to charge my phone. But you may be asking yourself, where's the wardrobe? Well, tucked away in front of the bed and beside the door is our big closet. It's plenty of room, and we can even add some extra shelving if you wanted to use it for other things other than hanging up your clothes. We also have 4 drawers down below. So 2 for each person, and don't forget there's even storage underneath this bed, so you can add in more storage there for shoes if you've got a million pairs of shoes or whatever fits your lifestyle. But what do you think of this reflection? Do you have any questions, comments, concerns? Let us know below, and if you need us, give us a call here at Cookeville RV and Marine or visit us online at cookvillerv.com.